How to change Gmail ID. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can log into multiple Gmail account on your Gmail and then switch between the IDs. Simply open up Gmail and you'll get an interface like this. Now to be able to add account, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and then you'll find the option add another account there. You can see I've already logged into multiple accounts, but to be able to log into multiple accounts, tap on add another account first and log into your Gmail account. Simply select the platform that you have and then tap on verification, and then here enter your phone number and then tap on next and then enter your password and you'll be logged into your another Gmail account. Now once you're logged in here, if you tap on head back to Gmail and tap on profile icon at the top right, you can see all the accounts that you have been logged in. Now to change Gmail ID, all you have to do is tap on the Gmail that you want to change to. Now here you can say I'm on bpinvestnet6465@gmail.com. If I want to switch to Napoleon YT or other, what you have to do is simply tap on it and I'll be switched. So this is the way you can change your Gmail ID. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.